Welcome everyone, it's Barry the Bomb here with you today, and sun's coming up. It's another beautiful red morning. And Xena and I, come on girl, let's go. We're gonna take a trail ride. See if I can hang on. One hand on the phone, one hand controlling Xena. Come on, girl. Up. She's gonna stop, take a pee. Have a marker territory. Hang on. Might fall. Nope, didn't fall. All right. Hit a woodpecker. Slow. Hey girl, we're not going that fast right now. There's a lot of sticks laying around, and every once in a while there's a big stone I gotta watch out for, or I'll fall off. It'll kick me off. I got a little trail beaten down here through the woods, so I'm familiar with the trail. She's just in trot mode right now. She'll pick it up down here on her own without me coaxing her and trying to make her go faster. Oh, there she goes a little faster. There's her next stage. Picks the speed up a little bit. Oh. Let's see if I can get closer to her. There's a stick. I'll pull her in a little bit. Slow. Good girl. Whoop. Get over here behind her. Good girl. Oh, you see, watch her. Oh, couple sticks. This is a bumpy spot. A lot of roots out of the ground there. It's really like rumble strips. A lot of leaves pile up down here. I'm gonna go through a big pile of leaves right here. Yeah. Got a couple stuck in the fender. Whoop. She's gonna pick up speed here. There's a wet spot down here where I rolled it before. If she's pulling too hard, one wheel twists. And if it's wet, I'll slide right there. Right there's where it is. And up here. And it's dry here. And right here it gets wet. You see where I wiped out before. So here is where she's gonna pick up speed. Right when we get through this little high grass and it straightens out, she likes to haul ass. Let's see if I get closer to her. Yeah, right there. Hi, Zena. Hi. She loves to go really fast here. Hi. I love how her tail kind of floats. We're probably doing like 15, 16, 17 miles an hour right about now, but I like her tail. She holds her tail and it floats. All right, Zena, slow. There we go. Yay. Good girl. I go down this way. She slows down for me because it's downhill. If she pulls too hard, I get going too fast. That'll crash. My nose is a little cold. It's like freezing, 32 out this morning. It's actually perfect. It's not too cold. It was cold enough at the ticks. I'm in tick territory. There was a shit ton of ticks. As soon as it warms up, deer ticks. Whoa, 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 shit. Yep, got into it. Got into the ditch. Right here. And there's rocks. Right there's a big rock. Alright, let's restart. Hang on, Zena. All right, you ready? Come on, quick. Good girl. Here's where she likes to go fast too, around this corner. Oh. Oh. Good girl. Yay. Good girl. Slow. Xena, slow. Good girl. Whoa, whoa. All right, we're off the trail now. We're gonna get on a hard road. Get on a hard road. Whew, hands are cold. Hands holding the phone's cold. All right, Xena, come on, let's go. Whoa. On a hard road. Sometimes we go really fast here. Let's see what she wants to do. Hey, thanks, Xena. Now she's looking for the rabbit. We came by here earlier. There was a rabbit up here. And she's eyeballing for him. Where's the rabbit, Xena? There we go. Are you going faster? There you go. More rabbit. Home. There's that tail float again. Might do an 18. About now, slowing down. Alright, everyone. She's distracted. She smells something. It's probably the bomb. I will see you soon.